I greet all my good people over the world. My people, I tell you, I say, the last video I did, I tell you, I say, get 1570 2021 model one go buy. Here is the car. It's no more available. It's sold. Congratulations, my chairman, for trusting us. I don't know you from anywhere. I don't know you from anywhere. Congratulations for patronizing Zinosi Collins Limited. Congratulations for trusting me. 2020 LOX 570 is no more available. It's sold. So my people, if you need something like this, don't forget to call my WhatsApp and my calling number +971 5257 38469. It's Zinosi Autos, your number one insurance car dealer in United Arab Emirates. Car water, Uba Uchawalen. They say everything automatic. Everything automatic. Everything automatic. One any never automatic. Everything automatic. Boss, give us a call. Give us a call. Give us a call, my people. Give us a call. Give us a call. 2020 LOX 570. 2020 LOX 570. Nah, Sunday too much. The car get cooler. See your cooler. If you want to chill your drink, you want to chill everything. See your cooler here. They chill like ice. See your cooler. 2020 LOX 570. So it's no more available. Congratulations, boss. Congratulations. Thanks for trusting me. Thanks for trusting me. You don't know me from anywhere. Thanks for trusting Zinosi Autos. No space, no today for this video. Fullest option. Fullest option. So my people, if you need something like this, we sell all kinds of luxury and non-luxury cars. All kinds of cars. All are available. Our WhatsApp and our calling number +971 5257 38469. Zinosi Autos, your number one insurance car dealer in United Arab Emirates. So my people, this car is no more available. It's sold. It's sold. It's no more available. It's sold. It's no more available. It's sold. It's sold. It's no more available. It's no more available. Congrats, boss. Congrats. Congrats. Thanks for trusting us. Zinosi Autos. On Nakane Binyobana UAE. Your number one insurance car dealer plug. No scam zone. No scam zone. Give us a call. Give us a call, guys. Give us a call. We dey play with the show. We know they do audio selling. We know they do audio. We know they do audio. We are not audio dealers. We are not audio selling. They play the show. Maybe they see them. Say that live and direct. Live and direct in United Arab Emirates. So give us a call, guys. Give us a call. +971 5257 38469. Zinosi Autos, your number one insurance car dealer in United Arab Emirates. So this car is going direct to my garage for loading. It's going for loading. In 6 weeks' time, this car don't reach Nigeria. In 6 weeks' time, the owner don't receive him. In 6 weeks' time, the owner don't receive him. So my people, just give us a call. Give us a call, guys. Give us a call. Okay, my friend. Where is your recovery? Okay.
Major parking.
Major parking? Okay, you bring. Take key. You bring.
Send location.
I send you location, no problem. You drive. So my chairman, congratulations. Congrats. One no be audio selling. Now live and direct. United Arab Emirates. 2020. LOX 570. One call this number. This is my manager's number in Nigeria for my head office. This is my own number. This is the only two number I have to avoid scam. This is our head office. Owerri, Imo State. So give us a call, guys. Give us a call. If you want something like this, don't forget to call. My number is affordable. The price is affordable. It's affordable. 2020 LOX 570 fullest option. Fullest option. Sold by Zinosi Autos. Sold by Zinosi Autos, your number one insurance car dealer in United Arab Emirates. Congratulations, my chairman. Congrats for trusting me. Congrats for trusting me with your millions. And I deliver.